Hi everyone, this is Suraj, and in this video I will be talking to you about what is a competitive programming. If you look over the internet, then you will find a definition that competitive programming is a mind sport played over the internet where you have to solve the algorithmic and logical problem in a given amount of time. Now let me give you much more better intuition about what is a competitive programming. Suppose if I ask you to write a program to print a number from 1 to 50, then you will say that it is a very easy problem. I will run a loop from 1 to 50 and just print out those numbers. Now let me ask you the same problem in a competitive programming way. In this, I will give you a condition while printing the numbers. Suppose I say you that you have to print a number from 1 to 50, but condition is that you have to print only those numbers which are the multiple of 2 or 7. So this time you use your logics while running your loop. You will apply the logic that if a number is a multiple of 2 or 7, you will print out those numbers, otherwise you will ignore those numbers. So see, the competitive programming generally involves a problem statement with some given conditions. Now let me give you another example of competitive programming questions. Is that you are given an array of numbers, but this array of numbers contains some duplicates. Now you have to write a program to remove the duplicates from that number. So this is the another example of competitive programming. Now you have got a better intuition about what is competitive programming. Now the question arises that why one should be doing the competitive programming. Number first, being a programmer doesn't mean that you just learn a programming language and write down some codes. Being a good programmer means that you know how to apply the logics in a real life scenario. You may be in a real life you may be encounter with some problem for which no solution exists. So in that case, if you are good at logical and thinking skills, then you can easily solve that problem. So the competitive programming makes you creative and improves your logical thinking. Another reason that one should be doing the competitive programming is that most of the companies out there like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, these are the fancy companies, but some other product based companies hires through competitive programming. They hire through the coding round, and their coding round involves the competitive programming questions. So if you are good at competitive programming, then you can easily solve those companies questions. Okay, so this was the video to give you intuition about what is competitive programming and why one should be doing the competitive programming. In my next videos I will be showing you how to get started with competitive programming. Thank you.